Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Cardano. This is the urgent alert news for all Cardano holders. Be alert and be safe from loss. My friends, in this video, I will show you, friends, the latest update of Cardano. Be alert, be safe from loss. Anyways, click the subscribe button now for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's see, my friends. First of all, we look the latest price of Cardano, and after that we discuss that what will Cardano start jump. 1.78 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano. On the other side, if you look the market cap, the 24 hours volumes, available supply, total supply of the Cardano, we are seeing here, and you can easily read on the screen, my friends. So my friends, on the other side, if we talk about this time price change in the Cardano, so the last 1 hour pricing is positive, 24 hours pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive, my friends. Now this time the whole chain is going positive, and absolutely I'm feeling very happy to see this kind of positive change in the Cardano Ada. We're going to the moon, but my friends, the alert news is that maybe in the next few hours there's a lot of chances, on the basis of my technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, and the few hours there is a lot of chances to the price of Cardano falls down. So when the price falls down, so that's not mean that you decide to sell. Remember that it is alert. If you sell, you're on the loss, because after in a few hours there is a chance to the price falls down. But you have to hold, my friends, because after this falls, again the huge pump is coming. So wait for it and don't decide to sell. I know in the future falls down, okay, in the few hours coming, next few hours there falls. So be alert and be safe from loss. So my friends, anyways, you can see here, if we do a technical analysis of the chart, so you can see here that is a resistance and that is a support line. So now this time falls down, after falls take a jump, and now again the time to falls down. So after this falls, they will again take a jump. So now the falls, the dumps of the Cardano are coming soon. So be active and be safe from loss. Don't decide to sell. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Cardano? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.